Good morning, students. We are going to see today part programming. Myself, Mohammad Azhar. Okay. So this is a simple profile of mailing. Okay. So this is the origin of the profile 00. Okay. So today we are going to use VMC as a machine for machining this profile. Okay. So I will start with the programming. N05, G90, G94, G21, G55 and end of block. So what are these G codes? G codes are the preparatory codes and the M codes are the miscellaneous codes which we are going to use in this part programming to machine this profile by using VMC machine. Okay. So what will be a tool path for this machining is that from this origin point we are going to for point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and come back to 1 and again to its original position, that is 0, 0. That is, I will write that tool path 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 dash. That is the origin position of this. Okay. So what are these codes? Preparatory codes. Preparatory codes are the codes which are we using to control X, Y, Z direction of your machine. Okay. Then M codes are used to control the machine elements, that is coolant on, off, spindle on, spindle off. Okay. And other machining elements you have to control by using miscellaneous codes, that is M codes. Now let's see this block, that is N05, G90, G94, G21 and G55. What it represents? Okay. So N05 is the serial number we are using, okay, for programming, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the serial numbers from which we are using. So why I am using 05? 05 will give me a editing position or editing blocks of 4. Means suppose I want to machine a hole in between this profile. Okay, I have to change this machining to having a simple hole. Okay, so then I can edit that by using N01, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It will follow the sequence as per the numerical value. Okay. Now what is G90? What is G90? G90 is for absolute coordinate system. There are two coordinate systems, that is absolute coordinate system and incremental coordinate system. What is absolute and what is incremental? Suppose this is a plain road, suppose it is in X direction. Okay, I am here at this position and the distance I have to cover from station 1 and 2, there are two stations. Okay, total distance is equal to 100 meter. Okay, 100 meter is the total distance and station 1 is at 50 meter and station 2 again at a 50 meter. So the first station at the middle of the total length to travel. Okay. So while using this G90, suppose G90 is a absolute coordinate system, I will take a distance X to 50 meter first, then again I will write X direction, I will move from 50 meter, I am using X equal to 50, X1 and X2 I will write as a 100 meter. So in absolute coordinate system, this is the origin point. Okay, it will take the dimension as from this origin. Okay, in incremental coordinate system, what is difference in this is that when I move from this origin point to this station number 1, I will write X1 equal to 50 meter. Then second, from station 1 to station 2, I will write again X2 equal to 50 meter. So it will take the last position as its has a origin of its position. That will be X, either X, Y or Z. Okay. To come back to the program, the next code is G94. G94 is the next code that will represent the feed of the machine. Okay, there are two methods of feed, that is mm per minute and mm per revolution. For G94, I am using mm per minute and G95 for mm per revolution. Suppose this is a 50 feed mm per minute and 0.5 mm per revolution. Okay, so I am using G94, that is the unit is in, feed unit is in mm per minute. Suppose feed is 50 mm per minute, and if I am using G95 in this block, then the feed is mm per revolution, that is 0.5 mm per revolution, suppose consider. Then it will cut the depth of in x or y or z direction, that is 0.5 mm per revolution of the spindle. Okay, this is the G94. Then what is G21? G21 represent the metric unit. Metric unit. So all these dimensions are in mm. Okay, in India we are using a metric unit, and in European countries they use inch unit as their dimensions. Okay, so these dimensions are in mm. So I am using G21 as a metric unit code. The next one, G55. What is G55? G55 helps you to store the workpiece 0 setting. Suppose this job I have to manufacture for 10 times or 100 times. Okay, same job I have to manufacture it, or this profile. Okay, then I have to go again, completion of this job I have to set this workpiece 0. Again for third job I need to go for workpiece 0. Then to avoid this, just use G54 to 59 as a code and store that X, Y and Z position in your machine and use that code as your workpiece 0. What is workpiece 0? What is machine 0? Workpiece 0 is the X, Y and Z position where all the coordinates are 0, and machine 0 is the machine origin position from where it will take the machine. Okay, suppose this is your rectangular profile and the cutter is moving from, this is Z direction, this is Y direction and this is X direction. Okay, this motion is in X direction, this is Y and this is Z direction. I have to make the workpiece 0 at this corner edge as a 0. Then how I will make that workpiece 0? Then first I will make this cutter to touch the surface of this workpiece and make Z as a 0. Then this surface and make Y as a 0 and this surface as a X as a 0. So X, Y and Z as a 0. Okay. The next line, N10, M06, T01, S500 and feed 50. That is in mm per minute. That is in mm per minute. What this M06 indicates, that it's a miscellaneous code and it indicates that a tool change. Okay, the tools are stored in the tool magazine, that it will be a chain magazine or a drum magazine, and tool numbers are there. From, suppose it is a 20 number tool, I have to end mill cutter having a radius of 20. Okay, then I will use, instead of this, as a 20 as a tool. So the machine will goes to the T20 number and it will change the previous tool and bring back this T20 as the working tool. Okay, so M06 for tool change, T20 is for the tool number where the tool exists. Okay, then S500 is the RPM of the machine, F is the feed, that is in mm per minute. Okay, the next N20. Now G28, G00, x0, y0 and z2. So this is the origin position of the cutter. Okay, G28 is the home position of your machine. G00 is a rapid traverse where the x, y, z direction moves without any cutting. Okay, then x0, y0 and z2. So say x0, y0 and z2 means indicates that the cutter is 2 mm apart from the surface of your profile. Okay. Then now the cutter is at this position. Now it will move from this position to the position number 1. Position number 1. Now N25 G00, again I am using rapid traverse, and x will be, this is 20 and y will be 20. So x20, y20 and z2. Okay, still the cutter is about 2 mm from the surface. Next, N30 G01 z minus 10. Suppose the depth of this profile is 10 mm, so it will move 10 mm in depth of this surface. Okay, G01 is for linear interpolation, that is the cutter movement of x, y or z will be in linear fashion. Okay. Next, second position is the number 2, that is from 1 to 2. X will remain same, y will be, while y is changing, that is 20 plus 80. So you have to write same G01 and y will be 100. Don't change x. Then N40, what will be N40? N40 is from position number 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Now you can see that this is a in linear way, okay, and this is a inclined surface of, suppose it is an of a degree of 45 degree angle. Okay, this is 45 degree angle. So how to get this inclined surface? By using x, y positions. So same G01 you have to write, but you have to write x and x equal to, that will 20 plus 30, that is 50, and y will be 120. Okay, in the same line. In the same line it will move in this inclined fashion. Okay, in this you can see this previous line G01 y100, so it is moving in a straight y direction. Okay, then N45, from now the cutter is at position number 3. Now it will move from 3 to 4. Okay, 3 to 4. This is also a linear motion. So G01, x, only x will be changed, y will remain same. X 20 plus 30 plus 40 equal to 90. Equals to 90. So now in linear way the profile will be cut till position number 4. Next, N50, there is from 4 to 5 there is a radius, that is a circular interpolation, that is from 4 to 5 having a radius of 20. Now how to write the block? First G02. Why I am writing G02? This is for circular interpolation in clockwise direction. Okay, and G03 is for counterclockwise direction. That is the cutter moves in clockwise direction. So I am using G02. If it is in counterclockwise direction, means anti-clockwise direction, it will, I have to write G03. Okay, so G02. Next, what will be your x? X will be this 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus this 20. That equal to, x will be 110 and y will be changed to 100 and radius 20. Radius will be 20. Okay. Now the cutter is at position number 5. Now from 5 to 6 again a linear interpolation. So change this N55 G01. G01 is a linear code, a linear interpolation code. From 5 to 6, what will be? Only y will change, that is 20 plus 20 equal to 40. Y 40. Next, again a circular interpolation from 6 to 7. 6 to 7, but it is in anti-clockwise direction, that is counterclockwise direction from 6 to 7. So I have to write the code G03. G03 is for counterclockwise direction. Okay. Then what will be x? X equal to 90, 20 plus 70, and y will be 20. Y will be 20 and radius 20. So now the cutter is at position number 7. Okay. Now last 7 to 1. The cutter moves from 7 to 1. It is a linear motion. Okay. Then N65 G01 linear interpolation. X will remain 20. X will be 20 and y will same. So don't write that. Y x 20. Okay. Now the last is the 1 dash, that is from 1 to the original position, that is N70 G00, that is in rapid traverse. So though there is no cutting action take place from 1 to the origin position, there is no cutting action. So I am using G00 rapid traverse x 0, y 0 and z 2. The same position I am used in this N20. Okay, the same position I have used in N20. Next, N75 G28, that is the home position. Suppose I am using a coolant here. Okay, use a coolant here in this line. Suppose M08. Okay, M08. So for that I have to stop that coolant or 80. Okay, so M09. And last is N85 is M30. M30 is represent that the program stop and reset to the initial position of your program. Okay, if I am using M02 instead of M30, only the program will stop. So you have to write, suppose this profile you have to machine for 10 times, then you have to use M30, and if it is a job production, only one single manufacturing is there, then you have to use M02. Okay, this is a simple manual part programming using VMC machine, and the codes are used, okay, that is miscellaneous codes and preparatory codes. Thank you.